Hello, my name is Zinmar. I am a founder and director of Ariya Burmese Foods. Our company makes Burmese-inspired frozen meat kit, frozen appetizer, and condiments. Ariya Burmese Foods is born in 2019 in Calgary, Alberta. Our company mission is to produce tasty yet healthy Burmese-inspired food and to integrate them into Canadian international food culture. We always want to produce prepackaged Burmese food and sell in the retail store. But we thought we should introduce what is Burmese food to Canadian and also to do the market research before we start into the prepackaged products. Therefore, we start selling our fresh Burmese food at the farmers market food court. Once we first introduced our food to Calgary, we quickly built a solid group of loyal customers of all culture backgrounds. Since farmers market are only open 3 days a week, our customers suggest that we should make prepackaged foods so that they could take home and enjoy any days in the week. Since then, we made our fresh meal into frozen products. Currently, we are selling at many farmers market across Calgary region. We have 3 product lines in our company for now. Number 1 is a frozen meat kit, frozen appetizer, and condiments. One of the best-seller product is called Rangoon Coconut Noodle Soup, which is a frozen meat kit. We have this product fully developed packages and ready to launch for wholesale and retail market in the province. Our meat kits are made with real food ingredients and we source them locally as much as possible. We do not use any artificial flavor for taste or the texture. In each package, there are 4 components packed separately, such as soup base, noodle, topping cracker, and chili sauce for spicy lover. The reason of packing them separately is to eliminate the texture or flavor change due to the freezing. It also makes our product as good as the fresh prepared meal. With only a few steps of heating and cooking, a healthy and tasty meal can be ready within less than 10 minutes. We always listen to our customer feedback. One of the feedback I always hear from customers is that this is the best soup they have ever had. In our packaging, we clearly show the cooking instruction, also the suggested additional topping to make it healthier and hearty. Our meal kits are well suited for most of the occasion of our lifestyle, such as easy meal for individual, for family meals, lunchbox, or outdoor camping. For most of our customers, this product has been a weekly stock-up item in their freezer. We strongly believe that Ariya Burmese Food will bring exceptional Burmese food to Canadian friends and family.